Okay, worksheet C, number 1, solve 6 times 3x minus 5 equals 22. Again, it's a multi-step equation, so we're going to use our 4 steps. So I'm going to distribute first. 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30, equals 22. There's nothing to combine on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. All the variables are already on one side. So now we just need to figure out why is the variable not by itself. Well, it's the 18 and the minus 30. We always get rid of addition or subtraction first. So I would add 30 to both sides. So I get 18x equals 52. And then I would need to divide by the number in front of x, so I divide by 18. So x equals 52 over 18. But again, we should reduce it if we can. And 2 goes into both of these numbers. So 2 goes into 52 26 times, 2 goes into 18 9 times. Okay, 2. Solve the proportion x minus 4 over 5 equals x plus 2 over 10. So we're going to multiply diagonals and then do the 4 steps. So we're going to take 10 times x minus 4 equals 5 times x plus 2. So that gives me 10 times x and 10 times negative 4. So 10x, 10 times negative 4 is negative 40, equals 5x, 5 times 2 is 10. So now there's nothing to combine on the left hand side because these aren't like terms. Same thing on the right hand side, these aren't like terms. So I want to get all the x's or variables on one side, so I'm going to pick on the smaller one, which is 5x, and since it's positive 5x, I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. 10x minus 5x is 5x. Bring down the minus 40 equals 10. So now my variables on the left hand side, it's not by itself because the 5 and the minus 40, so I have to get rid of the minus 40 by adding 40 to both sides, which gives me 5x equals 50. Then divide both sides by 5, and I get x equals 10. Okay, number 3 is a compound inequality. We want to solve 8 is less than 5x minus 7, which is less than 23. So I want to get the variable in the middle by itself. So to do that, I look in the middle, and x is not by itself because it's being multiplied by 5 and subtract 7. So again, I get rid of the subtraction in this case. So I add 7 to the middle, the front, and the back. 8 plus 7 is 15, less than 5x, less than 30. And then I have to divide everything by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3, is less than x, which is less than 6.